to the Heineken Glam Zone at Carnival Glam Hub this year. So it's just been a really exciting day. We've moved through about 300 masqueraders through the entire Glam Hub experience, possibly even more. It's been such a crazy day, but we made sure to get the party started the right way. Of course, ice cold Heineken brujitos actually as cocktails, just really getting the party started and making sure that our consumers are enjoying our products responsibly from morning. In the Glam Hub space, we've had international makeup artists. We've had Baby who's worked on Nicki Minaj and Cardi B, and we're just really excited to partner with Glam Hub to bring such great talent to Jamaica to make sure that we're a part of that experience. We also have Kai Ford, and she is the lady to go to in Trinidad in terms of makeup. So we're really glad that we could have had her here. So it's just been a great experience. It was the best place to get your hair and makeup done. It was an incredible experience with incredible ice cold Heineken, and we hope everybody has a safe day on the road today.
Hi, I'm Angel Kamabat, self-taught makeup artist from Trinidad, and I'm here in Jamaica to make these Jamaican beauties even more beautiful. I've been doing makeup for approximately 5 years. It's my passion. I'm absolutely in love with makeup, and I wouldn't be doing anything else. And I'm so happy that I'm here in Jamaica sharing my talents with y'all. I just like to send kisses to the end. Okay, so the only difference between doing makeup at home and doing makeup here in Jamaica is that I have way more time to play with. I know like maybe next year I wouldn't have as much time because everybody would know Angel is in Jamaica forever. But there's no big major difference. I'm glad, however, to bring some of the more creative looks here in Jamaica because they do classical eye looks, and I just want to do some more dramatic and bring my own touch and flavor here to Jamaica.